Hello and welcome to the FlowiseAI course, Unlocking the Power of AI Application. So in this comprehensive course, we will take you on a journey to discover the capabilities of FlowiseAI, a revolutionary platform for enables you to build AI-powered application without coding. Over the next 14 modules, we will cover the entire spectrum of FlowiseAI from setup and installation to advanced topics like integrating Hugging Face models and building chatbots with long-term memory. So let's see what is the course agenda. Okay, so our course is carefully structured to ensure that you gain a deep understanding of FlowWise AI and its application. Here an overview of what we would covering. So our first module is something like discover the power of FlowWise AI. So in this introductory module, we will introduce you to the world of FlowWise AI and its capabilities. We will explore the benefits of using FlowiseAI, AI, its key features, and the types of application you can build using this platform. Then in module second, basically in module second to module fourth, we will cover three things, basically setup and installation of FlowiseAI AI on AWS, GCP, and Azure. Okay, so first let's talk about like what things we will cover in this module 2 to 4. Okay, so in this module, we will guide you through the process of setting and installing FlowWise AI on three major cloud platforms, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. You will learn how to create a FlowWise account, set up your environment, and deploy your first AI application. Okay, so next, what we would cover in module 5. So basically, build AI apps without coding. So this module is all about building AI powered application without writing a single line of code. We will show you how to use FlowWise AI visual interface to create AI models, integrate them with your application and deploy them to your chosen platform. Then next we will we'll cover creating chat flows and LLM chains. This is one of the most important lecture in FlowWise AI course series. So in this module, we will deep dive into the world of conversational AI. You will learn how to create chat flows, which are building blocks of conversational interface, and how to chain them together to create more complex conversation. Then next is module 7, combining multiple chains. Building on the previous module, we will show you how to combine multiple chains to create even more sophisticated conversational interface. You will learn how to use FlowWise AI chain management features to create complex conversation that can handle multiple topics and intents. Then in module 8, we will cover building a personal assistant. This is also very simple topic. Okay, so in this module, we will guide you through the process of building a personal assistant using FlowWise AI. You will learn how to create a conversational interface that can perform tasks, answer questions, and provide personalized recommendation. Then next is module 9. Basically, in this module building, we will building chatbots with long-term memory. This module is all about building chatbots that can remember conversation and adapt to user behavior over time. You will learn how to use FlowWise AI long-term memory features to create chatbots that can provide personalized experience and improve over time. Then next is module 10. So module 10 is all about chatting with your own data, chat, predict, and analyze. Basically, in this module, we will show you how to use FlowWise AI to chat with your own data. You will learn how to create conversational interfaces that can analyze data, make predictions, and provide insights. Then next is module 11, add FlowWise to anything. Okay, so this module is all about integrating FlowWise AI with other application and services. You will learn how to use FlowWise APIs and SDKs to add AI capabilities to your existing application and services. Then next is module 12. So basically integration in FlowWise AI. In this module, we will deeper dive into the world of integration. You will learn how to use FlowWise integration features to connect with other services, APIs, and platform. Then next is our module 13, which is integrating Hugging Face models into FlowWise application, a comprehensive guide. This lecture is so too much long, not too much, but little bit long to compare than other lectures. Okay, so in module 13, basically this module is all about the integrating Hugging Face models into your FlowiseAI application. You will learn how to use FlowiseAI Hugging Face integration features to create more accurate and powerful AI models. Then next is our next and last model is FlowiseAI Agent Flows. So in this final module, we will introduce to final agent flows, a powerful features that enables you to create complex workflows and automate tasks. You will learn how to use agent flows to create custom workflows, automate tasks, and improve productivity. Uh, So next, what to accept. By the end of this course, you will have a deep understanding of FlowiseAI and its capability. You will able to build AI-powered application without coding, create conversation interface, and integrate Flowise with other application and services. So what are the prerequisites? No prior knowledge of AI or coding is required to take this course. However, a basic understanding of computer programming concepts and cloud platform is recommended. Okay, so I'll also show you the Flowise AI website. So this is the Flowise AI website. This is flowise.com, flowiseai.com. You can find about the features and the community. You can find a lot of videos also about the Flowise AI. Then if you click on use case, you can find about the use case. If you want to check the open source ecosystem, you can click on GitHub link, so you can check the open source ecosystem of Flowise on GitHub. Then you can, if you want to check the docs, so you can check the docs of Flowise AI also using Flowise AI API analytics, configuration, integration, then migration guide, use cases, and other things. Okay, so apart from this, you can also see the community, webinars, docs, and other things. So if you click on webinars, so nothing is here. If you click on community, so nothing is here also. Then you can check the LinkedIn, Twitter, and GitHub page of FlowiseAI also. That's all about this lecture. And I hope you guys like this video, and like this video is all about the overview and objectives of the course, like what we will cover in our course, in our upcoming course. Okay, so that's all about this course, and I hope you guys like this course. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and get ready to unlock the power of FlowiseAI. Join us on the exciting journey to discover the capabilities of FlowiseAI. With 14 comprehensive modules, you will gain the skills and knowledge needed to build AI powered application that can transform your business and improve your life. Let's get started. So that's all about this lecture, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Again, say don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and like this video, comment on this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section also. And yep, that's all about this video. We will meet in next video. Happy coding.